I don't know why it took me so long to do a office makeover, but we are getting into it because this office is just not inspiring. It just has a bunch of things just here for no reason, and not to mention that it's not welcoming to my guests. Like when you walk through my front door, this is to the right. And it just wasn't giving. So I decided to turn the desk to the side, and just doing that alone made a huge difference. Like, doesn't that feel better? And then, friend, I got the itch to remove everything. Y'all know me. Once I start a task, baby, I keep going. I can't stop. So I was like, let's just take everything out, except for the big items, of course, and take everything off the walls because I want to do some new art. I was low-key upset that I had to remove my tree, but I really wanted the shelves to be behind the desk. I just love how that looks. So, of course, we had to take the shelves off, move them from the left side of the room to the back of the room, which makes perfect sense. And now it's so much pleasing to the guests that walk through the door, and they get to see what I actually put on the shelves. Now that I got my office all mapped out, I was like, let's make some fast art, y'all. This was so fast. It's crazy. You just get a canvas. I got this little foam piece which has a sticky side, did a little design, took some grass moss. I bought this. Now this is the most expensive thing of the whole piece. It was like a box of this for like 40 bucks, but it's a whole lot, and I've used it around my house plenty of times. But I just put some Elmer's glue down and keep packing that down and adding more glue and packing it in, and it'll just stay. I picked up this COB strip light just to add it along the squiggly line. It has a little adhesive on the other side, so I just stuck that here. I do recommend sticking it on before attaching it to the canvas, but I didn't even think about the lights until afterwards. The artiste, honey. Boom! And as for the shelves, I just put them up with Velcro. Just add the sticky side to the wall and then the other sticky side to the shelves, and then press them together. I know. My hair has changed. I washed my hair. So we're doing a lot right now, but my office is done and I absolutely love it, y'all. So if this is your first video of mine, my entire house consists of 4 colors: white, black, green, and tan. And my office is no different. I like to keep everything the same so that I can switch out different little not ornaments, what do they call them? Little trinkets, little things that be going on. I just have things, okay, that I get from Home Goods or at homes. I just buy these little things that go on shelves all the time, and I just move them around in my house. I have different shelves in different rooms. It helps out a lot when I'm trying to plan and do my interior design. But let's get into this design. So the last thing y'all saw was me unboxing my iMac. I have installed it. I didn't know that it didn't come with a stand. I purchased the one that comes with a mount, and so it took a few days. I had to buy the mount and then I had to install it. I will link the one that I actually purchased, but I do love it. At first I was like, why didn't it come with a stand? I don't know, I just be ordering stuff apparently. But the stand is here. And this is my setup. Now I can't go back to just using my MacBook. Now my productivity is better. The inspiration in this room, since I've done some of the artwork, I've done the artwork in this room, it just inspires me to want to create more and to birth more things, you know? So let's do a walk and let me give y'all a tour of my office. Over here on this bookshelf, I have this black sculpture with the white base. And on this side, I have the white sculpture with the black base. I think they're from Wayfair, I wanna say. I'll try to link them below, but I will say they do sell out really quickly. But I love them, they're so cute. Now, everything that I chose has like a little inspiration for me, so I'm gonna just break it down. First of all, this is gonna inspire me. You know, I am a dancer, but also stretch, move the muscles, do the things. This, a map. I just love maps. I don't know, but I travel a lot, of course. So this is signifying my travel. Of course, I love to shop. I love makeup, but I love to shop now. So this is just signifying a little shopping bag. This might change, but I mean, I like the stripes. In this area, it's just little things that I like to find from like Home Goods and TJ Maxx and all the things. This one, I think, yeah, TJ Maxx, $10. I love finding things like this that I can put little moss in, a little grass, because like I said, my colors consist of green, and the greenery that I like to have is grass and like plant. Now here I have my lamp. I got it from like At Home or something like that. They only had one. So if I find another one, I will not link that for you. I'm going to buy it for myself, because I was only able to find one. And I love this lamp. And I really want it for like my bedroom as well. But anyway, love this. This is another sculpture that I had, but I cracked the back of it. So I went and got some of this greenery. And I feel like it just looks like her hair is just like earthy and it's growing and it's just like beautiful, like my curls. That's what it's supposed to give. I don't know if that gave that for you. So I told y'all about this. I love greenery, so of course y'all know why this is here. Had to do the palm trees. It's giving very much go on a tropical vacation. You see what I did there? Yeah. This is my Amazon plaque, and I just have a camera here. Just some little stuff, like I said, I got from Home Goods. Love to move those things around. This is a Versace piggy bank that I actually got from the owner, Courtney, the owner of the Main Choice. I have my other art piece that I made a while back. It's not the most perfect, okay? The lines, you could tell some of my lines are just not well painted, but I did it. And so I just love this art piece. Like it has its imperfections, but it's my imperfections, and I love it. It's gonna cost a lot of money one day. You just watch. You just watch. Then, of course, over here, like you guys saw, I got a new computer, and I needed that new computer because so productive. I get so much work done here, y'all. I have my emails pulled up here. I have my planner pulled up here. And then here I just have all of my editing and stuff because I needed something faster to edit with, y'all. This is all storage, and I love that it's behind me because it's really good storage. I got so much stuff. My aunt, she gives me a lot of stuff from her job, so I stay stocked with the things. I have filing systems. Nice that it gets to be behind me now so that I can kind of move around and stay at my desk and be very productive. So very happy about this office. I hope this office inspired someone or gave you some ideas or just made you want to do a makeover somewhere in your house. So glad that you guys stuck around to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.